We continue with the presentation of the feeders with the RF series models, which can be used with strips with widths from 70 to 500 mm and with maximum speeds of 300 strokes per minute depending on the model. This type of feeder is slower than the HS model and therefore much easier to set and use. As the images show, the setting control for this series is also grouped together in a simple and compact control unit with 3 displays. The speed percentage display indicates the feeding speed in percentage. The release mode display indicates the way rolls open and close during operation. The feed length display indicates the feed size of the selected progress. Starting program setting. Turn the Set Run switch to the set position and use the plus/minus buttons to change the values on the display that flashes. In this case, speed percentage. The value to be set can be selected from the diagrams in the instruction manual according to the speed, width and thickness of the strip. Using the step jog buttons, move to the release mode display and use the plus/minus buttons to select the operation procedure for opening and closing the rolls. For the type of selection, refer to the instruction manual. By moving the step jog buttons, you move to the feed length display to set the size of the feed to be used. Use the plus/minus buttons to navigate to the various numbers via the step jog button to select the required feed. The max feed length is 999.99 mm. Finally, to confirm the program selected, turn the Set Run selector to Run. Now you can see the programming speed, about 30 seconds, on the video. The next step is to adjust the guide rolls to the width of the strip. Before introducing the strip, turn the clamp button to OP to open the rolls, and after introducing the strip and centering it on the 2 guide rolls, turn the clamp button to CL, thus closing the rolls. After carrying out all checks on the press, we can begin production. In the control unit, there is a stroke 1 button, which, when pressed, allows the progress of the strip in a single step. Instead, pressing the step jog buttons individually, you can move the strip forward or backward depending on the button pressed. Besides cancelling any errors visualised on the display, the reset button has a very important additional function. As you can see in the video, When the feeder is operating on the feed length display, you can read the set feed and the speed percentage on the speed percentage display. Pressing the reset button on the two displays, you can read the running speed and the millisecond value respectively, which indicate the progress time of the strip for feeding based on the working speed function. In fact, the video shows that with an increase in working speed, the speed percentage value decreases to log the error in the control unit, displaying the code 666666 and stopping the press. Roll distance adjustment, strip thickness, is simple and immediate. Just record the position of the black wedge at the top of the feeder and adjust the two socket head screws. To alter the load on the strip, you can adjust the two springs in the vicinity of the wedge.